Your diet affects your bones and joints by giving them the nutrients they need to stay strong and flexible. Eating healthy foods helps build strong bones, reduce inflammation in your joints, and maintain a healthy weight, which is good for your joints too. So, what you eat plays a big role in keeping your bones and joints healthy and working well. Calcium-rich foods. Incorporate dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt into your diet. Non-dairy sources include leafy greens, almonds, and fortified foods like tofu or orange juice. Vitamin D. This vitamin helps with calcium absorption. Includes sources like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, fortified cereals, and exposure to sunlight. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help with joint pain. Antioxidant-rich foods. Fruits and vegetables like berries, cherries, oranges, spinach, and kale contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. Protein. Lean protein sources like poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils provide amino acids essential for bone health and muscle maintenance. Magnesium. Found in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens, magnesium plays a crucial role in bone formation and density. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are rich in vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen production, supporting joint health. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and salt, which can contribute to inflammation and weaken bones over time. Moderate caffeine and alcohol. Excessive consumption of caffeine and alcohol can interfere with calcium absorption and contribute to bone loss. Keep consumption moderate. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for joint lubrication and the delivery of nutrients to cells throughout your body.